Good morning. I was hoping to share today how to draw Dolly 1.0 from my book Dolly 1.0, but after she gets turned into a robot. So I've just got a black crayon here and a sketchbook. All right, let's see. So it's pretty simple. Let's start off with a circle. That's going to be Dolly's head. And we're going to put sort of an arch there right through the head. That's going to be her little strainer colander hat. And there's the little handles on the side. So, okay. And we can kind of define the top a little bit there. And then let's do an upside down triangle that doesn't have the point. That's the foot of the colander. And it doesn't have the point, like a chip and some dip. And then we'll put the little holes of the strainer. There we go. Then let's put two bright eyes and a really big smile. And then let's see. Let's do her dress. So it's kind of like a little ghost shape, and it's wavy at the bottom. And when she got turned into a robot, she needed a little door on the front of her, on her chest, because this is the door that Charlotte, the main character, right here, can open it up and reprogram Dolly if she needs to later, or give her some updates. Now let's draw two legs, which I do one line and then another line kind of close together. Same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to show you a little artist's trick. We could, she has little segments. I'll show you a picture of her in the book when she's a robot. Here's the very last, it's actually the end pages. She's a robot here on the last page. She's a robot here for the first time. See these little segments? We want to draw those. So we could draw them with straight lines. That would be okay. Not a problem. But if you wanted it to look a little more 3D, you would want to do little curves, like little smiles. Or you can go the other direction, like little frowns too. It doesn't make it sad. It's just a direction. See how that looks just a little more round, like a cylinder compared to that one? And now when we do the arms, we can do the same thing. So on this side, her arms are really wiggly, and they can go out and come back in and retract. So we can have her putting her sort of spaghetti noodle robo arms, doing whatever we want her to. And then at the end of those arms, let's put a circle and a smaller circle inside. A circle and then a smaller circle. And let's do these curved line segments all the way down the arm. Same thing on the other arm. It doesn't matter which direction, if you're doing like a smile or a frown or the upside down way, just as long as they all go the same direction. I think it gives you that look that you're going for. And then at the wrists, we'll put the little robo claws. That's her little robo claws. She can grab things, and you can thicken them up if you wanted to, but you don't have to. They look pretty good. All right, and then she also had pigtails when she was a doll. So I'll show you. This is how she begins, with pigtails. And she ends up with antenna pigtails when she gets turned into a robot. So let's add those antenna pigtails. So 2 curly pigtails come out of one of the holes in the colander. Boop, boop, beep. And we see some signals being thrown out by, or receiving. She's sending and receiving signals from those. All right, and then the last thing is her polka dot dress. And I just sort of just space the polka dots. I eyeball it, just whatever kind of feels good. There we go. Very nice. And that's Dolly. And make sure you sign it, because we want to know who drew this awesome robot. But when I draw a picture of a robot, because I like tech and stuff like that, I always put a plug on my signature. Kids like to do that too, so you can do it if you want to. And that is our Dolly 1.0. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.